Alright, hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to pair the PowerBeats 3 to the Samsung Galaxy S9, okay? So let's get started. Before we do anything with our Android phone or our S9, we want to first make sure the PowerBeats is completely off. And then this little button over here to the top, we're going to pay attention to the LED light indicator up here. What we're going to do is hold down the power button until we see it start flashing in a soft white glowing light. Okay, so it's gonna blink, which means you manually get it into pairing mode, and that usually takes to about 3 seconds. Hold it down for about 3 seconds while it's off. Okay, so it's gonna do that. Hold it down, and then just wait for it to start blinking in this white light. Okay, notice now it's like a soft blinking white light. Okay, and now the PowerBeats 3 is in a pairing mode. So what we're gonna do now is head over to the S9. And then just get into the app layout with all the apps and go into settings, then enter into connections, and under connections we'll go to Bluetooth, and you'll power on the Bluetooth from here to the top, and as you power it on, it's going to show that it's searching for nearby capable Bluetooth devices. And while it's doing that, you'll see the PowerBeats show up. Now, if this is the first time you're pairing the PowerBeats and the only time you've ever paired it, it will show up as PowerBeats 3 only. But because it's not my PowerBeats, it's someone's own, so it'll show up as the person's name with PowerBeats if the person named it as that, okay? So once you see it under available devices, go ahead and tap on it one time. It'll say that it's pairing, and it'll say that it's connected for call and media audio. And I'm not sure if you can actually make calls through the headset. Some people say yes, some people say no. But that's if you know how to do it, let me know in the comments section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.